Most people think investing is only for people who already have money. They think you need thousands of dollars, a financial advisor, and years of experience just to get started. That's completely wrong. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start investing with just $100 and why starting small is actually the smartest thing you can do. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear, simple action plan that you can start today. Welcome to Wealth from Zero, where we break down money, investing, and wealth building into steps that actually make sense. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. We post every week, and it's completely free. Now, let's get into it. Here's the biggest lie the financial industry tells you. You need a lot of money to start investing. No, you don't. This myth keeps millions of people on the sidelines, watching inflation eat away at their savings, while the people who are investing keep building wealth every single month. Let me show you something. If you invest just $100 per month starting at age 25, at a 10% average annual return, which is close to the S&P 500 historical average, by the time you're 65, you'll have over $630,000 from $100 a month. That is the power of compound interest, and it only works if you start. The biggest mistake isn't picking the wrong stock. The biggest mistake is waiting. Now you might be thinking, okay, but what can I actually do with $100? More than you think. 10 years ago, you needed hundreds or even thousands of dollars just to buy into a single index fund. Brokerage fees alone could eat up your entire investment. That's not the case anymore. Today, you can open a brokerage account with zero minimum balance. You can buy fractional shares, meaning you don't need $500 to buy one share of Apple. You can buy $10 worth. You can buy $5 worth. Platforms like Fidelity, Charles Schwab, and M1 Finance let you start with literally any amount. So, the barrier to entry has never been lower. The only thing stopping you is the decision to start. Alright, let's get practical. Here is your step-by-step blueprint. Step 1. Choose the right account. Before you invest a single dollar, you need to put it somewhere, and where you put it matters a lot. There are two main types of accounts for beginners. Number 1. The Roth IRA. This is a retirement account where your money grows completely tax-free. You put in after-tax dollars, your investments grow, and when you retire, you pay zero taxes on the gains. This is hands down the best account for most beginners. Number 2. A regular brokerage account. If you want more flexibility, meaning you can take your money out anytime without penalties, a regular brokerage account is your option. My recommendation: if you're under 50 and investing for the long term, open a Roth IRA first. The best platforms to open one are Fidelity, Vanguard, or Charles Schwab. All three are free, reliable, and beginner-friendly. Open the account. That's step 1. Takes about 10 minutes. Step 2. Pick your first investment. Now here's where most beginners overthink it. They spend weeks researching individual stocks. Apple or Tesla, Amazon or Google. Should I buy crypto? Should I wait for the market to drop? Stop. I'm going to make this simple for you. For your first $100, buy a total market index fund or an S&P 500 ETF. That's it. An index fund is basically a basket that holds hundreds or even thousands of companies at once. When you buy one share, you're instantly diversified across the entire market. The S&P 500 tracks the 500 largest companies in the US: Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, and 496 others, all in one investment. The historical average return of the S&P 500 is around 10% per year over the last century. Through crashes, recessions, pandemics, it always recovered and went higher. The two best options for beginners? First, VOO. That's Vanguard's S&P 500 ETF. Expense ratio of just 0.03%. For every $1,000 invested, you pay 30 cents in fees per year. That's basically free. Second, FXAIX. That's Fidelity's S&P 500 index fund. Zero minimum investment. Either one is an excellent choice. Put your $100 into one of these, and you're immediately invested in the top 500 companies in America. That's a better start than 90% of people will ever make. Step 3. Set it and forget it. This is the most underrated strategy in investing, and the most powerful. Here's what you do. Set up an automatic monthly transfer from your bank account to your brokerage. Even if it's just $50 or $100 per month. Every month on the same day, that money automatically goes in and buys more of your index fund. You don't check the market every day. You don't panic when it drops. You don't try to time when to buy. You just keep going, month after month, year after year. This strategy is called dollar cost averaging, and it's the strategy that most professional investors recommend for the average person. Why does it work? Because when the market drops, your automatic investment buys more shares at a lower price. When it goes back up, and it always has, those extra shares are now worth more. You turn market volatility into your advantage instead of your enemy. The best investors in the world aren't the ones who time the market perfectly. They're the ones who stay in the market the longest. All right, here is your exact action plan. Write this down. This week, step 1. Open a Roth IRA or brokerage account on Fidelity or Charles Schwab. Takes 10 minutes. Step 2. Transfer your first $100 into the account. Step 3. Buy VOO or FXAIX with that $100, even if it's just a fractional share. Step 4. Set up an automatic monthly transfer. Whatever you can afford. $50, $100, even $25 is fine. Step 5. Don't touch it. That's it. That's the blueprint. No complicated strategies. No special knowledge required. No thousands of dollars needed. Just start. Stay consistent. Let time do the work. The person who invests $100 today and stays consistent will always outperform the person who waits for the perfect moment. That never comes. The truth is, building wealth isn't complicated. It's just not easy. It requires starting before you feel ready, staying consistent when the market scares you, and trusting a process that works over decades, not days. You now know more about investing than most people will ever know. The question is, what are you going to do with that knowledge? If this video helped you, subscribe to Wealth from Zero. Every week we break down exactly how to build wealth from scratch. Investing, getting out of debt, and creating real income streams. Hit the like button if you learned something new. And drop a comment below. Tell me, are you starting your investing journey this week? I'll see you in the next one.